Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Remove the glove box back panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the back panel. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.